Buying a home is often seen as the ultimate American dream, a huge milestone and a symbol of success. But the price on the listing? That's just the beginning. Hidden costs can turn your dream into a financial headache if you're not prepared. Today, I'll reveal the 7 biggest hidden costs every homebuyer in the USA needs to know, so you can plan ahead and avoid nasty surprises. We'll break down what they are, how much to expect, and how to budget for them. Let's dive in. First up, closing costs. You've saved for your down payment, but on closing day, you'll need thousands more for fees. Closing costs include lender fees, appraisal, title insurance, prepaid taxes and insurance, attorney and recording fees, and more. These add up fast, typically 2% to 5% of your home's price. On a $400,000 home, that's $8,000 to $20,000. This is separate from your down payment, so don't get caught off guard. Always ask your lender for a loan estimate early and compare fees from different lenders. Some costs are negotiable, but most aren't, so plan for this from day one. Don't let closing costs derail your budget. Be ready with cash in hand. Never skip the home inspection. It's your best defense against buying a money pit. A professional inspector checks for hidden issues: foundation, roof, plumbing, electrical, pests, and more. Inspections cost $300–600, but can save you from $15,000 roof repairs or worse. If problems are found, you can negotiate repairs or credits with the seller. Sometimes you'll need extra inspections, like for termites or sewer lines, at additional cost. Think of it as insurance. A few hundred now can save you thousands later. Always budget for inspections and never waive this step. Protect your investment from day one. Property taxes are a major ongoing cost, and they can change after you buy. Taxes are based on your home's assessed value and local rates, which can jump after a sale. Don't rely on the seller's old tax bill. Your payment could be much higher. Most lenders collect taxes monthly in escrow, but if taxes go up, your payment will too. Always check with the local assessor for an accurate estimate based on your purchase price. Factor property taxes into your real monthly budget. Surprises here can add hundreds to your payment. Know before you buy. Homeowner's insurance is required if you have a mortgage, and smart even if you don't. It covers damage to your home and belongings, plus liability if someone's hurt on your property. Costs vary by location, home type, and coverage, but expect $100–200 to $2,500 per year. Insurance is usually paid monthly through escrow with your mortgage. Shop around for the best rates and coverage. Don't just take your lender's suggestion. Standard policies don't cover floods or earthquakes, so you may need extra policies. Review what's covered and what's not. Protect your home and your finances. Put down less than 20%, you'll likely pay private mortgage insurance or PMI. PMI protects the lender, not you, but it's the price for buying with a smaller down payment. It typically costs 0.5%–2% of your loan per year. On a $380,000 loan, that's up to $316 a month. Your rate depends on your credit score and down payment size. The good news, PMI can be removed once you reach 20% equity. Improve your credit and put more down to lower your PMI. Plan for this extra monthly cost if you're putting less than 20% down. It's temporary, but it adds up. As a homeowner, every repair is your responsibility. Experts recommend budgeting 1–3% of your home's price annually for maintenance, $4,000–12,000 a year on a $400,000 home. This covers routine upkeep and big-ticket repairs, like roofs, HVAC, or water heaters. Skipping maintenance can lead to bigger, costlier problems. Set up a dedicated savings fund for home repairs. Know the age of major systems when you buy, so you can plan replacements. Being prepared means less stress and fewer financial shocks. Don't let surprise repairs ruin your budget. Utilities and HOA fees are easy to overlook, but they add up fast. Moving to a bigger home, expect higher bills for electricity, gas, water, and trash. Ask sellers for past utility bills to estimate your costs. Don't forget internet and cable. These are essential for most households. If your home is in an HOA, monthly fees can range from $50 to over $1,000. HOA fees cover amenities and maintenance, but check what's included and review the HOA's finances. Low fees aren't always good. Poorly managed HOAs can hit you with big special assessments. Always factor these recurring costs into your budget. Those are the 7 biggest hidden costs of buying a home in the USA. Knowing them lets you budget smart and avoid nasty surprises. Build a budget that includes all these costs, not just your mortgage. Save for your down payment, closing costs, and a home maintenance fund. Preparation is the key to happy, stress-free homeownership. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe for more real estate tips. Drop your questions or experiences in the comments. I'd love to hear from you.
Dear viewers, I want to take a moment to thank each and every one of you for watching my videos and supporting my channel. Your love and encouragement mean so much to me. However, I have noticed that many of you enjoy the content but haven't subscribed yet. If you truly enjoy my videos and want to see more exciting content in future, I kindly request you to subscribe to my channel, and subscribing is completely free, but it helps me grow, create even better videos, and stay motivated to share some more amazing content with you. So if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and join our YouTube family today. Your support means that the world to me, and together we can make this community even bigger and stronger. Thank you so much for watching, supporting, and being a part of this journey. Dear viewers, I want to take a moment to thank each and every one of you for watching my videos and supporting my channel. Your love and encouragement mean so much to me. However, I have noticed that many of you enjoy the content but haven't subscribed yet. If you truly enjoy my videos and want to see more exciting content in future, I kindly request you to subscribe to my channel, and subscribing is completely free, but it helps me grow, create even better videos, and stay motivated to share some more amazing content with you. So if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and join our YouTube family today. Your support means that the world to me, and together we can make this community even bigger and stronger. Thank you so much for watching, supporting, and being a part of this journey.